Hi guys, welcome to my cherry blossom skull tutorial. If you want to see how I did this, then stay tuned. So firstly I went into the Mehron Paradise paint in white and coloured in half of my face. I then did my regular everyday makeup on the other side of my face. I then created a pink cherry blossom inspired eye makeup using the Limecrime Venus palette. I then went into this grey shade from the Kat Von D Light and Shade eyeshadow palette and started to map out my skull design. I went in with some darker grey eyeshadow and then I went into the e.l.f. liquid liner and started to carve out the skull design. I then went into the dark grey eyeshadow again on a really fine brush and added some details. Using a black eyeshadow, I then went back into the skull design and started to deepen around the eye area. Going back into the white Mehron Paradise paint, I added some highlights. To create the cherry blossom, I used the double dip flower technique with white as the base and then pink and red right on the end. I added those all over the face and then I went into the liquid liner and drew the branches. I went into the grey eyeshadow again on the fine brush and I started to shade around the flowers to make them look a bit more three-dimensional. To create definition between the skull face and the human face, I just went down the human face with some concealer. On the skull half I added some shading with black eyeshadow to create some contrast between the two. To make the skin look slightly raised, I used a flat eyeshadow brush and a light brown colour and shaded around the edge, which makes it look a bit raised up, but you have to leave a white edge for it to look effective. Thanks for watching. Please like my video and subscribe to my channel. Bye!